Sharon Jurd and welcome to my Biz Blitz video. Today I wanted to share with you 3 reasons why people aren't coming to your events. Now if you're holding events, whether it's workshop style or larger events, whether it's 5 people, 10 people, 10,000 people, I want to share with you 3 reasons why people are saying no to coming along to your events. Firstly, they don't know you. And people go, well, loads of people come to my event who don't know me. True, but they know you online particularly. So if they see something advertised for your event, they will go and check you out online, and they really need to get to know you. They don't buy from a logo. They want to buy from a person, someone that they have a connection with. So make sure that your online presence is really showing you. So when they scroll down, say your Facebook page or your LinkedIn profile or whatever platform you're using, that they really get to know you. Because people can get to know people online really quickly and go, yes, that's someone that I want to spend some time with. The other thing is, number 2 is you're not consistent. Be consistent in what you're doing, and again, your online profile. If someone scrolls down social media and you're rant and whinge, they don't want to hang around with people like that. If you want people to come to your events, make sure that you are positive, that you are motivated, that you are exciting, and things in your business and your life are exciting as well. And people will want to hang around with you. Sure, we all have a rant online occasionally, and I do myself, but if there's that inconsistency about the message that you're sending out to people when they're looking you up, thinking about coming to your events, they won't come along. Thirdly, there's just no value in coming along to your event. Now, I'm not talking about price. People say to me, oh, people in my area won't pay that amount to come along for a day event or a 3-day event. That's simply not true. They will pay, they will take the time out of their business. You just have to make sure that you're adding value to them, because you're asking a lot of a person to take 3 days out of their business, whether it's on the weekends, out of their life or their business, away from their family, and again, spending the money to come along. They may have to get flights, accommodation. You have to make sure that you get the message out to your potential clients that what they're going to receive in the room at your event is worth the time, effort, and energy to get there and spend the time with you. So they're my 3 points. Firstly, they don't know you. Make sure people know who you are if they're scrolling down your online platforms. Secondly, be consistent in your message and make sure that you stick with that. And thirdly, make sure that your message shows the value of what they're going to receive in the room. So I hope this video has been of value to you, and if it is and you think it'd be of value to your friends, family or colleagues, please share my video, because I want to help as many people as I can, and I need your help to do it. So I'm Sharon Jurd, and we'll talk very soon.